Welcome to Boundary Ford. We are located at 2502 50th Ave in Lake District, Border City. Today we're checking out this pre-owned 2018 Ford F-150 XLT. The exterior color is red, and under the hood we have a 5.0 liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have auto headlamps, fog lamps, and tow hooks, and over the side we have 18-inch wheels wrapped in Imperial tires. At the interior, we have power locked mirrors and windows, and as you move closer into the cabin, you will see our gray cloth seating with adjustments at the side. Over at our steering column, we have our auto headlamp settings. We have a tilt steering wheel with our cruise control to the left, and to the right, our media and hands-free options. As we look ahead, you will see we have many options available, such as AM/FM radio, Bluetooth connection, 911 assist, Wi-Fi and hotspot, Apple CarPlay. And below we have our dual climate control area, which includes heating and air conditioning for the entire cabin. We also have heated seats for both passenger and driver to enjoy. And we have dual cup holders and storage. And at the rear we have door storage, cup holder, and power windows. Our heated front seating provides a ton of legroom and headspace. If there are any more questions about this pre-owned 2018 Ford F-150 XLT, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. We would like to thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.